What is up, guys? Welcome back again, and today I'm actually working on a '06 Dodge Ram with a 4.7. I was doing an engine swap, so I wasn't gonna really make a video on this, but I did notice that the engine that I'm putting in has a water leak, and the water leak's actually gonna be on the timing chain cover. So I'm just gonna show you what bolts to take off so I can get this replaced. Engine, I'm already putting it on. I already got the intake on, so I'm almost done with the job. But I noticed this. You guys see this red stain here? That means there's water leaking from somewhere inside here. That's what that red stain is, and it goes all the way through the bottom down here too. That's what that red stain means. That means there's water. So on this one, on the back, it has an O-ring here, an O-ring on this side, I believe, and then it has another bigger gasket up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and replace those gaskets on the back, and basically all the bolts that we're gonna take off is the bolts that go all around this housing here. So it's gonna be this one. I believe we take off this one, this one, this one, and then all the way around here through the bottom. I gotta take off the harmonic balancer all the way around here, and that's it. Pull it straight out and replace those gaskets. So, update to the parts. I try to put just the rings, the little O-rings, as the way that they sold it to me. That kit was only $3. This part number here was $60 or $50, somewhere around there. But it's actually the whole metal gasket that goes all around. I'll try to post a picture right now of the way it looks. But this one was a lot easier because with the rings that they sent you and the ones that I showed you before, that's the only one that they told me that they had for this vehicle. But it's so hard to keep those O-rings in place while you're putting the whole cover back on. So I had to do some search myself, come up with this part number, and call them with this part number and tell them, hey, this is the part number that I need, send it to me. And they were like, okay, yeah, we do have it, let me send it to you. So just so you guys know, save yourself some time, buy this part number. Even if it's $20-$30 more, it'll be worth it, trust me. All of my bolts are off all the way around. I took off my water pump just because I'm going to replace that gasket also. But if not, all you need to take off is this two here and this third one here. This four on the bottom, you can leave them on. But there it is. And what I do is this right here. You guys see how I have my bolt set up? The three that go in the bottom and then the two on the sides. That's basically the housing, how it goes. Same thing with my water pump. All the bolts are there the way they go because those three on the top, they aren't going to be longer than the other ones. So now I'm just going to take it off and clean it all out. That's it. Alright, so here it is. That cover is off. Now I just got to clean up all around there. Making sure it's completely dry. And then put the new gaskets on the back of that cover. And that's it. Bolt everything back up. This is the back of the cover right here. So now I got to clean off this side as well. Replace this gasket, and then the O-rings are going to go here. Same thing on that other gasket is going to go right there on the top. Alright guys, so I really hope you find this video helpful. Quick video. Like I said, I wasn't going to make a video of replacing the engine or anything like that, but I figured, hey, there's a water leak here. That way, just in case you guys see a water leak coming from somewhere around there, you guys know there is a gasket back there. It's a lot of people might think that it's just a water pump and that's it, but there is that huge plate that bolts onto the block, and it might be leaking from there. So in this instance, we see that red stain. It was all full of grease and oil. I cleaned it out and I could see the red stain even behind all that stuff. So that is a huge indicator that we had a water leak, or at some point this engine had a water leak. Now let's just hope that after I turn it on, the engine is good. You never know. But that is it, guys. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.